Do you want to be able to do anything? Now you can with the sonic screwdriver.
You can open doors. You can turn on lights. You can change outfits instantly.
Perfect. I want a Kit Kat.
You can get free candy. Look at that chocolate.
Not another paper.
You can let homework do itself.
All done. But wait, there's more.
You can cook meals instantly. Yum yum. You can levitate. You can jump really, really high. You can teleport. You can scan for aliens.
She's not a human. She's an alien.
And you can even save lives.
Oh no! She's alive! You can do all that for only $19.99.